Furniture costing rupees 4,000. Cost of furniture is 4,000. You see there. Furniture cost is 4,000. Is depreciated. Is depreciated at 5% per annum. Cost of furniture 4,000. Depreciation rate is 5% diminishing balance method. After how many years will its value reduce to rupees 3,258? This is the question. In this problem, the cost of furniture is given, rate of depreciation is there, and value after certain year is given. After value after certain period is given, but a period of the use for how many years the asset used is not given. Therefore, you have to calculate n value. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ principal is 4,000, then value after certain year is 3,258. Okay, the next is rate is 5%, rate of depreciation 5%. N is unknown. N means period is unknown. You have to calculate period. In the compound interest method, here also we calculate the n value. Okay, so V is equal to P in the bracket 1 minus R by 100 raised to n. This is the equation. If you fill the value in this equation, 3,258. 3,258 is the phi value. Then P value is 4,000. 1 minus R is 5. 5 divided by 100 raised to n. N is n. N value is not given in the problem. Okay. So 3,258 is equal to 4,000 in the bracket 100 minus 5. 100 minus 5 divided by 100 raised to n. 100 raised to n. Then if you simplify the bracket, then 4,000 in the bracket 9. Again the same bracket comes there. 4,000 in the bracket 95 divided by 100 raised to n. 95 divided by 100 raised to n. Okay. Then if you take this 4,000 in the bracket 0.95. 0.95 raised to n. Okay. Now you apply the logarithm table. So log 3,258 is equal to log 4,000. Log 4,000 plus n log 0.95. N log 0.95. Then you see in the logarithm table. In the logarithm table, first 3258. 3258 characteristic is 3. It is a 4-digit number. It is a 4-digit number. Therefore, characteristic is 3. Okay. Then you see in the logarithm table 3258. 32 first column, 5 Mentisa column, 8 mean difference column. And its value is 3.5130. 5130 is the value. Okay. Logarithm value. Then 4,000. 4,000 means 4-digit number is there. 4-digit number, characteristic is 3. And you see in the 40 0 column. You see in the 40 0 column, its value is 3.6021. 6021. Clear? Then plus n is n. Then 0.95. 0.95 means here before decimal point there is no integral number. Integral number, there is no digits. Okay, integral number is not there. 0 is there. Therefore, after the decimal point, how many zeros are there? There are no 0. Directly after the decimal point, 9 number is there. Therefore, you have to take 1 as characteristic. That one is -1. -1 means bar 1. Bar 1 is the characteristic, and you see in the logarithm table 95 column. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿದಿನ logarithm table ದಾಗ ನೋಡುತ್ತನ್ಯಾಗ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 95 column ದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 95 0 column. If you see in the 95 0 column, 95 0 column, its value is n into bar 1 0.9777. This is the logarithm value. Then the next step, you take the 3.6021 to that side. Okay, that is 3.5130 is equal to 3.6021. Same I have taken here. In the next step, you take that left hand side 3.6021. 3.6021 is the large number, but you have to take in the left hand side. Remember this. 3.5130 minus 3.6021. You have to deduct is equal to n in the bracket bar 1.97777. Then how to deduct it? You see the deduction, how to deduct it. First number is 3.5130. Okay. Then second number is 3.6021. Okay. If you deduct, what is the number? You deduct it. If you deduct it, first there is 9. If you deduct it, here you deduct here, 9 comes. And thereafter, 0 comes. You see here. Carry over 1, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. Then next number is 1. You deduct 1, 1 minus 0. That is 1. That is 1. Okay. Then 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 is not possible. Therefore, 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. Okay. 15 minus 6 is 9. Then 3 minus 3, 0. Carry over 1 is there. Therefore, that is minus 1.9190. This is the point you remember. Okay. This is the point you remember. In this way, you deduct. So, you take this as its value is bar 1.9109. Okay, is equal to n in the bracket 1 by 1.9777. If you take that bracket this side, this answer is bar 1.9109. And divided by bar 1.9777 is equal to n. So you see here is the very important and tricky one. Characteristic is minus, Mantissa is positive. Characteristic is negative, Mantissa is positive. Remember this. Okay, and denominator also same. Eradu same idav. Characteristic minus 8, Mantissa is positive 8. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ದಾಗ 0.9109 ಕಳೀರಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. In -1 you deduct 0.9109 in the numerator, and in the denominator also in -1 you deduct 0.9777. Okay, you see here its value is, if you deduct in the numerator part 1 minus 0.9109, its answer is 0.0891. In the denominator 1 minus 0.9777, its answer is 0.0223. ಇದನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ನಾ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಳ್ದೀನಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಒನ್ದಾಗ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಒನ್ದಾಗೂ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಳ್ದೀನಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ. Then if you cancel it, minus minus get cancelled, denominator minus numerator minus get cancelled. Thereafter you divide. If you divide, n value is 4, nearly 4. So you take n as 4. In this way calculate n value. In this problem I calculated the n value. You remember this point, how to calculate n value. This is very important. Okay, stage wise. Clear? Okay, next you see the next problem. I would like to take on the rate. In this problem I calculated the period. In the next example I'll take the rate of depreciation. One problem I'll take on rate of depreciation. You see this problem. Machinery costing rupees 20,000. Cost of machinery is 20,000. Is depreciated at a certain rate of depreciation. 20,000 cost machinery is depreciated, and its value at the end of 5 years. Value of that asset at the end of 5 years is 11,810. Find the rate of depreciation. They ask to calculate rate of depreciation. You see here, P value is 20,000. Then P value is 11,810. Okay. Then R is question mark. Rate is not given. N is 5 years. Now apply the equation. P is equal to 1 P plus P into 1 minus R by 100 raised to N. This is the equation. Okay. So you fill the value. P is 11,810. Value at the end of 5 years is 11,810. P value is 20,000. 1 minus R is R divided by 100 raised to 5. Okay. So 11,810 is equal to 20,000 in the bracket 1 minus R by 100 raised to 5. This is the last step. In this, after this stage, I am not able to calculate. Okay, this is because bracket value, it is not possible to calculate. So you apply the log here. So log 11,810 is equal to log 20,000. Log 20,000 plus 5 is at power point. Therefore, 5 log 1 minus R by 100. 5 log 1 minus R by 100. Okay, this is the stage. Then you see in the logarithm table. In the logarithm table, characteristic 11,810 is the number. It is a 5-digit number. Therefore, its characteristic is 4. 5 digit ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರ characteristic ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತತಿ? 4 ಆಗ್ತತಿ. 4. Then you see in the logarithm table. If you go through the logarithm table, 1181 L1 is the natural number, 8 is the Mantissa, 1 is the mean difference. If you see in the logarithm table, its answer is 4.0723. 4.0723. Then come to the next, 20,000. 20,000 is a 5-digit number. It is a 5-digit number. Therefore, its characteristic is 4. And you see in the 20 0 column. In the logarithm table, you see 20 0 column. So its value is, wait, it is not 3. 4.3010. Okay, 3010 is there. 3010. And 5 log 1 minus r by 100. It is not possible to simplify it. ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. How it is? You write as it is. You write how as it is. Okay. Then in this next step, you take this 4.3010 to that side. Okay, you see here. 4.0723 minus 4.3010 is equal to 5 log 1 minus r by 100. If you deduct it separately, what is the answer? You see here. If you take 4.0723, 23 is the first term. Then second term is 4.3010. If you deduct it, what happens? You see here. First 3 comes. Then next is 2 minus 1, 1. Next is 7 minus 0, 7. Next is, it is not possible. You take carry over and out of 10 you deduct 3, 7 comes. Then carry over 1, 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1.7713. Okay, you remember this. So its value is bar 1.7713 is equal to 5 log 1 minus r by 100. Then you take this 5 to this side. That comes in the denominator. Bar 1.7713 divided by 5 is equal to log 1 minus r by 100. You have to divide it. You have to divide this number. How to divide it? How to divide it? You see here. Here is the 5. Here is the divide by is 5. In the numerator, Mantissa is positive. Then characteristic is negative. Bar 1 means negative. And characteristic is negative. Mantissa is positive. So plus and minus, it is not possible to divide. Seriya ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೋರಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ. Theta. It is not possible to divide, so you have to make modification. How to make it modify? Okay. Based on the denominator, the above characteristic is to be fixed. Above characteristic you fix. Denominator is 5. So you take numerator also minus 5. Instead of minus 1, you take minus 5. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಲೂ -5 ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈ -1 ಐತಲ್ಲಿ. In this point, -1 is there. Bar 1 means -1 is there. Bar 1 is there. Instead of bar 1, you write it as 5 based on denominator. You remember this clue. Whatever denominator is there, the same number you take in the numerator. The same number you take in the numerator. Okay, you see here how to take. In the denominator, it is 5. Then what to write in the above? Okay, denominator is 5. Then what to write in the 5 above? You write -5 or bar 5. I'll write -5 here. -5. -5 plus. Then you put plus. -5. Denominator ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಲ -5 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. Plus. Then you get the same number. Bar 1. Bar 1 means minus. -1 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? If you are hearing my lecture, please tell me what is the number I have to add to get bar 1 or -1? What is the number I have to write here plus to get our required number bar 1? In the problem, in the solution, bar 1 is there. Okay. So already I recorded bar 5. Bar 5 means -5 I recorded. -5 plus which number is equal to bar 1? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ -5 ಬರ್ದೇನೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ -1 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 3. To get the same number, bar 1 is here. -5 plus what? To get bar 1. If you are not hearing clearly, I'll tell you. If you add 4, again it is bar 1. Okay. In this way, you have to modify. You modify it and put the next number. 7713. Like this, you make numerator. You modify numerator based on denominator. Okay. Now you see the next step. You see the next step. Next step is bar 5 plus 4.7731. Then bar 5 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Minus portion completed. Then come to bar 1 is there. Bar 1 is there. Okay, bar 1. Bar 1. Next is, if you divide it, what is your answer? Separate portion. If you divide it by 5, 5 ones are, bar 1 comes. Then you put plus or directly write. 4.7713. 47 means 0.9. Like this you divide. Is equal to log 1 minus r by 100. If you divide it, its answer is 5 divided by 5 is bar 1. This is bar 1. Then 4.7713 is equal to 0.9542 comes. Okay, therefore 1 minus r by 100 is equal to nt log of bar 1 is there. You remember here. Bar 1. Bar 1 is here. Bar 1.95 is here. Then if you put this, if you put the value, its value is bar 1 minus r by 100 is equal to 0.8999. Then you interchange the value. You take the 0.89 to left hand side and take that r by 100 to that side. Now 1 minus 0.8999 is equal to R by 100. So if you take 100 this side, then your number is R is equal to this much. Therefore, rate of depreciation is 10%. Okay, this is enough for today, and we'll see it in some more examples tomorrow. And I'll upload 5 examples for your homework. I'll upload in the classroom app 5 examples, and you solve them by today evening. By evening, I will upload the examples.